Hannah had always been the picture of a perfect wife, loving, attentive, and always there for her husband, Mark. They'd been married for 5 years, and from the outside, everything seemed perfect. Their little house on Oak Street was always tidy, the garden well kept, and their weekends were filled with cozy dinners and long walks in the park. But there was one thing Hannah had never told Mark, a secret she carried with her every single day. Every Tuesday afternoon, after Mark left for his weekly meetings at work, Hannah would slip away to a small cafe on the corner of Maple and Fifth. It wasn't the coffee or the pastries that drew her there. It was the letters. For the past year, she had been receiving mysterious letters from an anonymous sender. At first, they were simple notes, short, cryptic messages that seemed to speak directly to her heart. "I see you," one of them read. "I miss the way you laugh." They were never signed, and the handwriting was always different. At first, it felt like a harmless distraction, something to fuel her curiosity, but over time, the letters became more personal, more intense. Some even mentioned details of her life that no one else could know. Hannah knew it was wrong, but there was a strange part of her that couldn't resist the mystery. The sender seemed to understand her in a way Mark never had, picking up on small things she had never voiced out loud. He seemed to see a side of her that no one else did. But as time went on, she began to feel guilty. She didn't want to betray Mark, not really. The love they had shared was real, wasn't it? But she couldn't help but crave the excitement of the letters, the thrill of something unknown. One Tuesday, as Hannah sat at her usual corner in the cafe, she opened the envelope and found a single line of text. "I'm closer than you think." Her heart skipped a beat. This time, it felt different. This time, it was no longer a playful game. The sender was getting too close, and the walls of her secret were beginning to close in around her. Was it time to come clean? Would Mark understand? As she sat there, unsure of what to do next, she heard a familiar voice behind her. "Mark." "Hannah?" His voice was soft. She turned to face him, her heart racing. He smiled gently. "I thought I'd surprise you. I finished early today. What are you doing here?" "I just needed a little time alone, I guess." Mark's eyes softened. He sat down across from her, reaching for her hand. "I don't mind. You know you can always talk to me about anything." For the first time in a long while, Hannah felt the walls of her secret begin to crumble. Maybe it was time to stop hiding. Maybe the mystery of the letters wasn't as exciting as the quiet, steady love she had with Mark. As she met his eyes, she knew one thing for certain. This secret wouldn't stay hidden for much longer.